Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the virtualenv package with pip on your Raspberry with the BookWorm OS. And first I'm going to show you the package isn't installed on my Raspberry Pi. So I enter pip list and you can see I don't have the virtualenv package. And to install the virtualenv package you can run pip install virtualenv break system packages, and when you run this command it installs the virtualenv package, which you can use to create and manage virtual environments. And now let's check it's correctly installed. So again, pip list, and now you can see the package is correctly installed.